If you like peanut butter cookies, then you're gonna love these peanut butter cookie sandwiches with peanut butter cream filling. I'm calling the ultimate peanut butter cookie. All right, so first things first, we wanna get our oven preheating to 375 degrees. To begin, let's add 1 cup softened butter, 1 cup peanut butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of regular granulated sugar to a large bowl or a mixer, and let's get that blended well together. Next, let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 3 eggs, beating well after each one's added. Now, in a medium bowl, let's blend together 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we'll mix that together thoroughly, and then gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture while blending until it's completely combined. All right, now who wants to lick the beater? Yum. That is some good stuff right there. Now, let's shape the dough into 1-inch balls and place them on a baking sheet. I've got mine lined with parchment paper. And then we'll flatten them slightly with a fork. Now let's place the cookie sheet in the oven, and we're gonna let that bake for 7 to 8 minutes, removing them promptly and then allowing them to cool. Okay, so now for the delicious part. We're gonna add 3 cups powdered sugar, a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, and about 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk into a large bowl or a mixer, and we're gonna blend that until it's smooth. Now let's take one of our cookies, and we're gonna take the filling we just created, and we're gonna spread that on the back of the cookie, and then we're gonna sandwich that with another one, and we're gonna make the ultimate peanut butter cookie. All right, here you go, folks. The ultimate peanut butter cookie. Damn, these are good.